Liechtenstein 2022.
Welcome to Liechtenstein!
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm the TMax. I vlog about travel, language, and culture, and today I'm heading to Liechtenstein, doing a road trip. Got some friends. Hey, what's up, friends? We got T and we got Tony and Tim. Yeah, so it's not gonna be confusing at all with all these T names. So we're gonna road trip up to Liechtenstein and just enjoy the mountain country and see what we see.
Ciao tutti, it's your favorite girl T, your favorite dental assistant, stationed here at Aviano. We're about to go hit up Liechtenstein, get some good hikes, and my ears are popping because apparently we're in the mountains. Maybe try some good food. We're gonna have a great old time. A presto.
So we made our first pit stop to get some gas and to use the bathroom, and one thing we're noticing is it's cold out here. So you notice I got my lovely jacket here. But look at this view, this is beautiful.
What up? It's Tony. We're going on a little adventure here. Been driving for quite a while. Should be a good adventure, so stay tuned.
Eyes on the road. All right, after 6 hours in the car, legs tired and sore, we made it. Got a foosball table. Oh, that's convenient. And the key comes with it. And wow, look at the laundry room. This thing is industrial.
Look good. I'm about to stay at some more hostels.
Tomorrow.
I love that they have the option to have more healthier. They have no sugar added milk and certain oats. It's good so far.
So this is the Liechtenstein flag. We're about to go explore a little bit and see what's out there.
All right, getting the day started with some good old-fashioned rain.
That's what we love on our trips, day trips.
It's not gonna stop us though, is it?
No, of course not. Gonna go get this money.
All right, we got some Swiss francs, some money. Looks like Monopoly money.
Like
it's really green, so we gotta use this to pay for stuff.
But that's neat.
We're out here in the Prince's Vineyards, not Kiss and When Doves Cry Prince, but the Prince of Liechtenstein. Really nice because it's right before grape harvest, so you can see, the grapes growing on the vines, and you can see all the rose bushes at the front of each vine to tell you if the soil is good or not. We're gonna go into the city, and if we have time later, we'll come back. They don't close till 5, so you might check it out. But if not, just walking through the vineyards as a stroll, it's really nice.
I'm just gonna add an S.
You know what that means?
I do not. Not at all. Not in the slightest. What's up, what's up, what's up? It's your girl T. Your favorite dental assistant. We out here in Liechtenstein getting some good views and down here.
Good shots.
In the winery and stuff like that. And Tony in the background.
What's up, what's up? Oh, wow.
You look like you don't cut my hair down.
Yeah.
So we're downtown in Vaduz, and we see all these people walking around with these cards, and we had ran into the girl Clara earlier, and she told us that this company is doing a scavenger hunt. So you see people just running around the city looking for things in their scavenger hunt, so it's kind of cool. In addition to that, they got the food truck festival, which we're definitely going to be hitting up, and we're going now to get our passport stamped at the tourist office. It seems most places do Swiss franc and euro.
We walking around here in Liechtenstein finding some good food. see all the food, street food. We got some barbecue over there. We about to go get that finger looking good. Let's see what we got. Maybe some Chinese or something like that, Thai. Yeah, we're gonna enjoy. So we'll see you guys later. And we'll let you guys know how it is.
Showy is basically a Swiss drink, but sparkling, so apple juice.
Getting some barbecue. Finger looking good.
This is a red curry gamousse.
I'm probably the only guy that brings food to a food truck festival, so I save my money because I didn't see anything like really from Liechtenstein. But that food does look good. Hopefully, let me try it.
Gonna try some delicious food. Met some good people out there. And got the drinks right here. Tastes like cream soda. Something different, something new in a different country.
My food was good. It was a little spicy. I like spicy. And then my drink, carbonated apple juice with water. It's not bad.
And I had my food that I brought with me, so it was anything special. I mean, it's nice. That's what I do in hostels and hotels. I just make those little sandwiches I can take with me. And that's what I had, and it was good. But I did try his ribs and her spring roll, and they were good. But it was like 12 franc. That was a lot of money. The ambiance was amazing, and we got to hang out, meet people, and ask people questions like, "What are you eating? What is that? What are you drinking?" That's how we found out about our drinks. Tony, you gonna go holler at her?
Go holler at her.
The girl laying down.
Oh no.
One cool thing about all the places, they're all labeled. There's signs that tell you what stuff is. There's little charts and graphs that you can read. The problem for us is none of us speak German, and they're only in German. So yeah, we're just enjoying the sights. Alright, we walked all the way up here. Whose idea was this? We can't go no more.
Who wanna go to the right?
It might have been a little bit of mine.
Go to the right.
But look.
We thought we were hiking up to the castle, but no. We darn near hiked all the way to the castle. We can't get there. Yeah, we gotta go all the way back down. Alright, so when you come to Liechtenstein and you see this sign, don't go up there. Just watch this video. That's all you need to do. Enjoy it vicariously through us. You don't need to go up there. We finally got some nice weather. We're walking over to the touristic train and to the bridge that crosses the border of Switzerland and Liechtenstein. So we're gonna be in two countries at once. That's the goal. Yeah.
Liechtenstein, Switzerland.
Switzerland, Liechtenstein. We're leaving Liechtenstein. These are the cities, Vaduz and 7-Eleven. So we're going to 7-Eleven, Switzerland. See you there.
What's up, guys? It's your girl T again. On here so much I might have to become a videographer. But anyways, we just passed the borderland of Liechtenstein, and now we're over here on Switzerland. I'm gonna give y'all a nice little view of Liechtenstein a little bit, the forgotten country, but it's pretty nice. You got some Tim over there.
What's up?
Tony.
Hey.
To Switzerland.
It's like a little bit after 5, and we're realizing that everything in Liechtenstein closes at 5.
Everything.
Except for this ice cream place right here, the food truck place, and maybe some bars or whatever. But supermarkets close at 5. The last train tour was at 4:30. So if you're here on Saturday, if we get it done before 5, stuff closes at 5. We decided because the weather's still nice, we're gonna walk up to Schloss, which is the castle up the top. And unfortunately, we can't go in the castle because the prince lives there and they still conduct business and stuff here. So we just have to marvel at it from the outside. But it was definitely worth the hike up here.
The hike was pretty smooth. It wasn't hard. Like the first incline maybe, but we did our practice earlier when we went up the little hiking trail in the woods. This is a breeze compared to that. It's a nice view up here, so if you ever come out here, make sure you come see this Prince Castle.
I would recommend coming up here and doing this hike. Come to see this here, their castle.
Oh yeah, and I got to practice my Chinese, so shout out to my Chinese friends who live in Germany, and I'm sure you guys subscribe to the channel, I hope, and tell all your friends about it, and that's why my subscriber count just jumped. Thank you guys. 谢谢你们. We're back at the food truck festival, and this time I got some currywurst, which I've tried in Germany, but I've never had Liechtenstein's version. And then we went by the winery earlier. You saw that. Got some great drone footage, and just spent some really nice time in the vineyards there. So this is their wine. This is a Pinot Noir. Cheers, Stefano. Thanks for the wine. Thanks for everything. Nice full-bodied wine. Like I know what I'm talking about, right?
Got a little nice texture to it. Applesauce, you got your applesauce, you got a little bit of cheese, and then next is a little bit of a croissant or some type of onion ring on top. And it's actually pretty good. This is the #1 dish to try here, so I'm liking it so far.
It's good.
You come out here, definitely come out to one of these food festivals. It gives you some food.
The next day.
I'm gonna be honest, Tim got me on something. I'm doing the intermittent fasting today. So I went and packed my lunch for today. A little bit hungry, but I got me some peppermint tea, and we're gonna get this thing going.
Got me my tea to start the day. Hopefully I'll wake up a little bit more this morning as we walk around a little bit more, get the last minute stuff that we need before we leave out. And should be a good time. Also packed my lunch today, so I won't spend as much money as I did yesterday on food.
I'm so proud of my babies listening to me, saving money, and I've been fasting. Had a great time in Liechtenstein. We're gonna head out in a few minutes to go get some stuff, some last minute souvenirs, and then we'll hit the road.
This is my second country in Europe that I traveled to so far. This is one of the most beautiful places here. Favorite thing that I tasted was the mac and cheese. Like that crunch and then the applesauce was a nice touch to it. This is my first time staying at a hostel, and I definitely recommend it if you're a solo traveler and you're looking to connect with people. And it's a good opportunity to do all that here. It was pretty cool to see Switzerland on one side and Liechtenstein on the other side. That bridge was pretty cool to go do, and then being two different countries, don't really get that too many opportunities like that.
This trip has really been nice. It's a quick weekend trip, mostly rainy, drizzly weather. Actually, the whole time we've been here, it's drizzling right now. This is my first time staying in a family hostel, and this place is massive. Like I've never seen a hostel this big. I've never seen so many children running around playing. And it's cool. It's just a nice new experience. If you were staying in Switzerland or Austria and you want to take a day trip to Liechtenstein, that's totally doable. And then come over here to Vaduz and walk around the city. We walked that whole city. I think we walked every single street in the city, all the way up to the Prince's Castle to say what's up to him. And it's a really nice city. It's beautiful, clean streets. There's free Wi-Fi downtown. We happened to show up during the festival, so we had some, added perks or things that we got to see and do. And I feel like I've seen everything Vaduz had to offer, outside of maybe hanging out with the local and doing some of the local things. So all in all, this has been a good trip. So now we're just gonna head home and get ready for the next trip.
We stayed at the hostel. Recommend it. It was pretty nice. According to Tim, it's the best of the best. We went down to the center, chilled out down there, had both the food trucks for both lunch and dinner. For dinner, we had not mac and cheese, but we'll say mac and cheese. For my American folks watching, it's mac and cheese, but on a whole nother different level. Got to see the Prince's Castle, all the old time stuff, the red house, and it was good. If you do come to Liechtenstein, I definitely recommend making it more of a day trip and heading out to Austria or Switzerland. Liechtenstein, everything closes at 5 and you'll finish your day trip by 5. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you later.
If you like the content that you see, please like, subscribe, and comment. My boy Tim.